Okay, friends, here we are doing the mystery project recipe. Why is it called a mystery? We have no idea what it's going to look like. We're going to cut some components that fit together pretty easily, and then you can use your eye to figure out how to put them together. We're going to make a 2-page spread. And once again, if you've been watching my videos, I'm on the Boho Escape pack train. This is mostly because it's what I have with me, but it coordinates together so nicely. So for this project recipe, we're going to need 5 sheets of paper. I'm going to start with, we need 3 printed sheets of paper. You only have to love one side. You don't have to worry about what's on the back or if it coordinates. But between all the 6 options, you should be able to find 3 that you love. I'm going to use these 3 sides. And then you need to find a piece of solid cardstock that blends with this. I'm using the navy because I think it picks up some of these darker tones in here, and it goes well with both the pink tones and the canvas. And then a piece of solid white. So these are my 5 pieces. We're going to use the 12-inch trimmer to make some cuts. And we're also going to use, it's optional, but if you have the Border Maker system, we're going to use that. All right. So we're going to start with actually the Border Maker system. We're going to cut 2 borders. Now, if you don't have the Border Maker system, just use your trimmer and cut maybe 1-inch strips. So you have 3 options here. 1, do nothing. Don't worry about it. Number 2, cut 1-inch strips of your solid cardstock. So for this is my navy. So you could cut 2 1-inch strips of your solid navy. Or the third option is to use your Border Maker cartridge. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. Doesn't matter which border you use. If you're thinking about a theme for your pages, I like the ones that are pretty generic. They go across themes. This is the cable chain. And I also like it because it leaves a really smooth cut. I'll show you what I mean. So, put the paper into the tray so it fits at the end really nicely, and then move the tray back. That makes sure that you get the right measure of paper on the outside. Line up your notches. I know some of you are not new to the Border Maker system, but just a reminder, here's a notch here, here's a notch here. Push it in, get it all nestled tight in there, and press. Scoot it down and press. You'll do this 6 times. Each of the Border Maker cartridges has a 2-inch punch, a 2-inch spread, if you will. I can't think of the scientific word, but it will. Okay, look, I was busy talking and I'm a little off